Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of modern bathroom designs with innovative concepts that redefine both form and function. Explore avant-garde fixtures and sleek geometric lines that characterize contemporary aesthetics, creating a space that is only visually striking but also highly practical. Incorporate cutting-edge technology with smart fusions and lighting solutions, adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Embrace the use of unconventional materials and textures to infuse personality into your bathroom, transforming it into a unique sanitary with a focus on simplicity and efficiency. These modern design concepts prioritize a seamless blend of style and convenience, elevating a bathroom into a heaven of sophistication and comfort. Integrate open shelving and minimalist solution to maintain a clutter-free ambiance, enhancing the feeling of a spaciousness. Experiment with bold color contrasts or stick to a monochromatic palette for a chic, cohesive look that resonates with the modern design principles. Consider installing sleek, frameless shower enclosures and freestanding taps to add an air of luxury and openness into the space. Embrace the versatile modular foundations and fixtures that adapt to evolving trends while ensuring style in their contemporary bedroom design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.